Hi guys, welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today we are checking out the best waterproof phone case that lets you take your phone underwater without stress. If you love capturing moments near water but worry about safety, this could be the perfect solution for you. Let's get started. So the product we have today is the Basis BS-PG030 waterproof phone case, and it is built to protect your phone while still letting you enjoy photos and videos in water. It combines strong protection with a clear and user-friendly design, which makes it stand out right away. One of the key features of the Basis BS-PG030 waterproof phone case is its high-clarity TPU material. This material allows you to take sharp and vibrant photos even underwater. You do not have to worry about blurry shots, so every memory looks clean and detailed. Another important feature is the clip-on design with 4 layers of sealing. This creates a strong barrier that keeps water completely out. It gives you confidence that your phone stays dry even when fully submerged. To make it even safer, the Basis BS-PG030 waterproof phone case includes a secure lock system with a small slider. This prevents accidental opening, which means your phone stays protected at all times, even during movement or activity. The IPX8 waterproof rating is another big advantage. It allows you to go deeper underwater without worrying about damage. This level of protection makes the case reliable for different water conditions. One of the most unique features is the dual airbag design. The case has air cushions on both the front and back. If you accidentally drop it in water, it floats instead of sinking. This small detail can save your phone from getting lost. These airbags also add impact protection. They help absorb shocks if the case gets bumped or dropped. This keeps your device safe not only from water, but also from physical damage. Another great benefit is the overall durability. The Basis BS-PG030 waterproof phone case is made to handle different environments, whether you are near a pool, at the beach, or in rough outdoor conditions. The design is simple but very practical. It is easy to use, and the transparent body keeps your screen visible at all times. You can operate your phone without taking it out, which adds convenience. Even with all these features, the case remains lightweight and easy to carry. It does not feel bulky, so you can take it anywhere without any trouble. Overall, the Basis BS-PG030 waterproof phone case offers a perfect balance of protection, clarity, and smart design. It keeps your phone safe while allowing you to enjoy every moment near or underwater. Ready to protect your phone like never before? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.